Oh. So check out this story. Saturday we were closed, and local electrician had this van at one of the local shops on Route 130 who doesn't send me any exhaust work. Shame on you, dude. He said he was tired of going back dealing with the exhaust problems. So I'm like, no problem. We're actually closed today. I'm just dropping off a car for Monday. So he said, drop off the van, call the owner, let him know what's going on. So the engine light's on, the exhaust is loud, the power steering's screaming, the rear brakes are just about shot. And he's only here for the exhaust, but I brought the other leads to his attention. So I put it up in the air, and then I'm evaluating the job, and I don't know what they were doing, but this is a direct fit aftermarket converter assembly, and you could just see that they just kept cranking and cranking on the flange. And what happened is, when you buy aftermarket converter assemblies, dude, some of them just don't fit right, but you gotta have the foresight and the experience to say, hey, can I get this to seal? Well, these guys could not get this to seal, and they said they kept going back and back and back. What I also didn't understand is why they had this hoopty made up pipe in between, because I know the direct fit systems aren't that way. If you take a closer look here, you can see that this pipe's made into it. So I'm not really sure what their the problems were. That's one piece. Where's the other one? Majority of the problem was installation error with a quality of product error. And they were just in over their heads. And a lot of the aftermarket stuff is like that. So, you know, I said, hey, I could try and save this shit. I don't know what I'm getting involved in. It doesn't fit right at the top there. And it almost looks like they may have sent that out and had someone add that piece or chop that piece off. I can tell you they're not exhaust experts like myself. So if you look at what this looks like here, this is that side of that exhaust. Always advise opening everything. I shouldn't have did that. So you can see here that this pipe here is that pipe over there. So they definitely had some fucking issues installing it. Where's the other side pipe that you took off? But like I said, that joins into here. And like I said, that hokey work on the back side, I'm not really sure what was going on. I can tell you this. The way they had it on, it wasn't sealing at the flange. You could see the flange is hammered and beat to shit because I don't even know if that's the right flare for it. And then they had the same problem here. And you can just see it was shaking and rattling and rattling and rattling. To me, it's possible that they ordered this stuff from eBay, and what eBay doesn't tell you for $99 or $200 or even $300, that this is their blem inventory. And they already know it's defect, and that's why the price is so low. So when you say, oh, well, why is your converter $900? Because it's going to fucking fit, right?
Yeah.
Yep. I can get it on Amazon or eBay or someplace else for $99.
Well, that's all the defective stuff that doesn't fit right.
And they don't tell you that, right? So if I had to suspect, is that this is one of those blem exhaust converter systems. And you can see there's a way better quality difference in the stuff that I have that we're going to install. And he should be Gucci smoochy. But we're going to verify the compression flares, because that's what these are. There is no gaskets. A lot of people say donut gaskets. Some have gaskets, some do not. This is actually a compression flare. So we're going to verify that fitment. It should be. We're also fixing the passenger side manifold. Had a broken bolt inside the cylinder head, which we haven't got that far yet. But this side was jacked.
Barely.
It's falling apart.
Yeah, just stick it over there. Stick it in the bin.
I know, I gotta cut the other side off.
You don't gotta cut anything else off.
Look.
It's already starting to fall apart.
Oh, that's from you slamming it around. That's why I broke. Just throw it in a can. But that's from it not sealing. So you can see where the flange was pushing.
Absolutely. Because it doesn't fit right.
Because it doesn't fit right. And they weren't.
They tried to force it on and nothing.
Yeah, actually this may be the way it was assembled. I can't really say, but I would say it's very possible, but I could have chopped this apart and made that look like that. Well, that was the problemo. Thanks for watching.